Oh, no. Hi, my name is Will, and this is my Porsche 944, and today we're going to be changing the power window switches on the car. Theoretically, this should be a pretty easy project. That's because I did all the checks to ensure that the door contact was functioning correctly, and the relay I know is not broken, and the fuse is not blown. So I'm almost certain that it's the contact in the actual switches. Hopefully it's not either of the motors in the window or the wiring internally, because I don't want to have to fish wire through the car. It seems like a pain in the ass and something I'm not going to be very good at. So I don't want to do that if I can avoid it. Like anyone that's ever worked on old cars knows, the plastic gets more and more brittle over time, but that actually wasn't too bad. So we're going to take them apart and see if we can notice any bad contacts and clean it up and hopefully reassemble it easy peasy. These contacts are slightly dirty, this one especially, so actually just rubbing it with my fingernail tend to help it out. And then also the contacts on this side look like they need to be cleaned up just slightly, so I'm gonna open up the other one, clean both these out. If I was doing things right, which I'm not, I would turn the car on and test these prior to reinstalling this panel, but it's just two screws, and if it doesn't work, then I'm gonna have to buy new switches anyway. So I'd rather have it look nice than, oh fuck, no. This little clip right there I broke, and so I'm gonna need to repair that before I reinstall this. Otherwise it's not gonna sit in place correctly. Add a touch more glue on top. Is that what I did wrong last? Oh my god, it's directional. I'm a fucking idiot. So that one's always worked. It's installed upside down. It works, but it's installed upside down. God damn it. Let's check this side. And this one's installed upside down. God damn it. I think that I have to flip them around, and then they'll work correctly. It works. At least the driver's side works, thank fucking God. Oh yeah.